Trailer manufacturers are finally catching up to a backlog of orders as market demand normalizes and post-COVID-19 supply chain disruptions begin to ease. Experts estimate that falling spot rates, increased borrowing rates, and inflation signal that supply will outpace orders in 2024. Customers want safety features, ease of maintenance, and trailer telematics connectivity. Trailer telematics is becoming an industry norm, with fleets increasingly relying on it for safety and efficiency. OEMs must integrate digital footprints of the equipment with machine learning and AI to provide creative customer solutions while adapting to power-only models and the growth of autonomous vehicles. Despite challenges such as labor shortages, the trailer manufacturing industry is stabilizing and approaching 2024 with cautious optimism.